Hey, all you cool Oceanside otters, welcome back to the 25th of May to the 29th of May, lundi à vendredi. So, as always, we have first, next, and last. We have our math, literacy, reading, and I've added exploration fun in as well for this week. And I'll discuss these slides in the next section. But for this, I will talk about IXL. As always, you go to the website. And for grade 1 this week, we are going to do a subtraction review and word problems. And grade 2s, you will be doing double-digit subtraction word problems, just one section. And then over here for next this week, I've added back in the Estimation 180 Family Fun that I had at the beginning of our distance learning. I've re-added it in as I don't feel anybody did do it. If you did, great, send me some pictures. You will notice here that it is dealing with estimation, and I will explain more in slide number 12. And I've added here last learn computer science, and some of our friends are doing it already, but check out the website at code.org. And moving on. As we always do after I've done this video, the link will be found here. Zoom for next week will be back to our regular time at 9 and 10 a.m. And Fridays, always, there is a conversation if you'd like at 11. Guided lesson number 1, la révision. Où se passe l'histoire? Where does the story take place? Outside, inside, here, and there. The setting of a story tells when and where. Daytime, nighttime, city, or town. The setting is where it all goes down. When in French is quand and where is où. Alors, c'est la page dictionnaire chez moi, à la plage, au restaurant, au lac, dans l'Arctique, à la ferme, dans la forêt, au parc, à la piscine, chez mon ami, dans l'espace, dans l'océan. This week, we're going to listen to the story La Petite Poule Rousse and fill in the story sheet below with the when and where. The when, the the when is the quand and the where is où. So when can look like daytime, nighttime, Monday, Tuesday, spring, winter. Some great words to use. And then the where. Guided lesson number 2, comptine avec le son et. J'ai un monstre dans ma maison. J'ai un monstre dans ma maison. Il retourne à chaque saison. Je l'ai vu sous mon lit. Il ne fait jamais de bruit. Chut. Il aime dormir et jouer, mais il n'aime pas se laver. Il se cache sous la chaise, mange des raisins et des fraises. Il aime aussi les bonbons. Ce petit monstre dans ma maison. Les mots avec le son et. Une reine, une baleine, la neige, une araignée, une maison, un bouquet, les bleuets, violet, mais jamais. This week, you will find these printables in your package of comptine à trous. We just want to fill in the words that are missing using the poem we just read together. And here is a list of the words neige, maison, reine, violet, bleuet, jamais, baleine. We're going to ask that you fit these into the bubbles here using les lettres de tête, du ventre, et les lettres de cœur. So using our cat formation of our printing of letters. Guided lesson number 3, les mots usuels, common words. I read, you read. Je lis, tu lis. Elle, et, encore, être, j'écris, une étoile, en, et, entre, j'écoute, une école, un éléphant. And in our guided lesson number 3, we have les sons composés. So again, we just click to play and listen and sing along. Guided lesson number 4, we have les mathématiques. This is for our next activity. We have l'estimation et les mesures. To give your child a little bit of understanding about estimation, there's this cute Sesame Street play estimation vacation. You can watch this short little clip about what estimation is and what a best guess means. This Estimation 180 activity is a family activity. Your child will need a little bit of help. You will need a measuring tape or a ruler, preferably a measuring tape. You will need a piece of paper and you will need a pencil. He shows you a sheet that he uses. You can just draw it on a piece of paper. It is not a problem. Next, in the exploration fun, you can do a little bit of a science experiment and turn a design into a crystal. There is a link here. If you push right here, it'll take you to a link. My disclaimer is that the website has loads of ads, so just so you're aware when you're looking through it. Here are the supplies that you will need. And here on this slide is how you shape your name. You don't have to do your name. You can create anything you would like using the pipe cleaners, mixing your solution, and waiting for your crystals to appear. In the last section of Exploration Fun, I have Lego Challenge cards this week. Build 2 cars and race them. Build something with just 4 Lego. Build a castle. Build an ice cream cone. Build your name in Lego. Build something using only yellow Lego. Build something blindfolded. Build something that floats. These are just fun activities. If you do decide to do any of them, as always, I do enjoy seeing the pictures of my wonderful students at home exploring some of these fun activities. And I have a mystery author of the week. I just wanted to point out that this author this week had good use of joining words like après, maintenant, aussi. Clear characters in the story. It was the author and the rabbit. The setting is clearly drawn in the pictures. And next steps, just to add some adjectives to describe the rabbit, the forest, the house, what we've been working on, and to use capital letters at the beginning of a new sentence. Here are some fun pictures from this week. We can see one of our friends has a little butterfly on his thumb. Another one of our friends was able to do a nice sculpture using the marshmallow and toothpick activity. Another one of our friends did a beautiful constellation. And here another one of our friends has their butterfly before it was released in their habitat. Thank you for all your photos, and I hope you enjoy your week, and I look forward to when you send me some more. À bientôt les amis!